skills 3 and 4 in Visual Studio Code. I want to merge. Skill 3 is merging a change from main into development, and skill 4 is deleting the development branch. What branch am I on? I'm on the main branch. You can see down here. Let's make a change. Let's get rid of this line here. Okay, save that. You can now see I've got a change there. I'm going to stage that, and then write a little message. I'm going to commit that. So now I've committed that. So now I have this change on the main that's not on my development branch. So we want to merge this into our development branch. So what we need to do, we need to get onto the development branch. I can click this, hop onto development. You can see I'm on development now. And that line that I just deleted is here. Now I can go here, branch, merge branch. And it'll ask me, what do I want to merge into development? I'm going to merge main in. And there we go. And now it's gone. So what about the case where we're done with all our work on development and we're ready to delete the branch? We don't need to have branches just sort of hanging around. When we're done with our task, we delete them. We need to, well, we might be able to delete the branch from here. Let's see, maybe. Usually I would switch on to main, but I think I can just go here and I'll say delete branch. And yeah, see, now it's asking me to delete main. I definitely don't want to do that. So I want to get onto the main branch. There we go. And then I do branch, delete, and now shows up, gives me option, delete the development. That's what I want to do. And I do that. And now when I go click down here, I don't see development because I deleted it.